Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to make AI work for you, but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've heard people talk about prompt packs and wondered, what on earth is that? Well, today we're breaking it all down. No experience needed, no tech skills required. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what a prompt pack is, how it can help you, and how to get your hands on one to start creating amazing AI content today. So let's start with the basics. A prompt is basically a command or instruction you give an AI to make it do something. Think of it like telling a genie exactly what you want. For example, you can ask it to draw a cute baby wearing sunglasses or write a funny joke about cats and AI. A prompt pack is simply a collection of ready-to-use prompts. It's like a toolkit for AI. Instead of guessing what to type, you open your prompt pack and boom, you get amazing results instantly. It's perfect for beginners because it saves you hours of trial and error and it makes AI much less intimidating. Now, you might be asking, do I really need this? Absolutely. Here's why. Saves time. Instead of thinking of prompts from scratch, you have a ready-made collection. Professional results. The prompts are designed to get AI to create high-quality content. Competence booster. You don't need to know complicated AI commands. Just copy, paste, and watch the magic happen. Basically, it's like having a shortcut to being an AI pro. Even if you've never used AI before, here's how it works. Imagine you have your prompt pack open and you pick a prompt, for example, create a motivational quote post for social media. You copy it into an AI tool like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva AI, and boom, the AI generates the post for you. With a prompt pack, you can generate posts for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Create AI images, stories, or scripts, even make products or marketing content, all without guessing or wasting hours trying to figure it out. This isn't just for tech experts. Your prompt pack is perfect if you're a content creator wanting fresh ideas, a freelancer trying to deliver better results, a small business owner wanting to create ads and posts quickly. Even if you've never touched AI before, a prompt pack makes everything simple and beginner-friendly. If you're ready to try it, getting started is easy. I've created a special prompt pack with ready-to-use prompts for beginners like you. You just 1. Grab the pack. R. Open your AI tool. Send. Copy a prompt and watch your ideas come to life. No complicated steps, no stress, just results. So, if you want to start creating amazing AI content today, grab your prompt pack now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly AI tips. See you in the next video.